American Express Platinum Card. So the American Express Platinum Card actually offers a lot of value and a lot of perks, and it also has an annual fee of $550. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the American Express Platinum Card and what it has to offer and if it's worth getting. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the American Express Platinum Card is one of the most popular, if not the most popular charge card that American Express has to offer. With the American Express Platinum Card, you get a lot of features, you get a lot of benefits. Some of those benefits include a $200 Uber credit, also a $200 airline credit, as well as $100 credit towards Saks Fifth Avenue. And of course, there are a lot more perks. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what you can expect to get from the American Express Platinum Card. As a matter of fact, we're going to jump on the computer so I can show you everything pertaining to the American Express Platinum Card, and so that you can be well informed if you're interested in getting this particular charge card from American Express. As a matter of fact, if you're interested in getting this particular charge card, the American Express Platinum Card, there are links below this video here, or one link in particular below this video, that you can click on and get the American Express Platinum Card from American Express. And when you do, you'll get 60,000 points when you sign up. So if you're interested, be sure to use the link below this video. It helps our channel quite a bit. So without further ado, I'm going to jump on my laptop so we can have a closer look at what the American Express Platinum Card has to offer. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on the laptop. Okay, so when you click on the referral link below this video, you'll be brought to this page where it says right here, you've been referred. Your friend has referred you to the Platinum Card from American Express, so on and so forth, and then of course you click continue. Real quickly, if you're interested in getting different credit cards or charge cards from American Express, you can click right here where it says view all cards, or it says view all cards with a referral offer. So you click on that, and then of course you can select what you like: personal cards, travel card, reward points, no foreign transaction fee, cashback, so on and so forth. So you can check that out if you're interested. And like I said, it helps the channel quite a bit. So the first thing that you can see right here in regards to the American Express Platinum Card is that you can earn 60,000 points once you get started after you spend $5,000 within the first 3 months. Now, regarding this sign up bonus or the sign up offer, you're actually able to get between 60,000 points all the way up to 125,000 points if you just continue to check from time to time using a private browser or using this link, and just continue to come back, and maybe you'll get lucky and you'll see the $100,000 offer or the 100,000 points offer in regards to the American Express Platinum Card. So if you're interested in the card, take your time, be patient, because it's really cool if you can get that 100,000 points offer when you're getting the American Express Platinum Card. So as you can see here, it says annual fee $550. Of course, there's no interest charges because you're supposed to pay your balance in full. So right here, the first thing that I kind of want to talk about here is some of the key features that you have in regards to the American Express Platinum Card. So as you can see here, there's different tabs that you can navigate through here at the top of the page. So you have key features, you have travel benefits, you have reward benefits, you have shopping and entertainment benefits, and additional services. So of course you can take the time to go through every single one of those if you'd like. Like I said, there's a lot of information here on the website in regard to the American Express Platinum Card. So here we go. We'll just kind of talk about some of the key features that you can expect to get with the American Express Platinum Card. So you have Uber rides with Platinum. Okay, so it talks about enjoying $15 in Uber credits for US rides each month, plus a bonus $20 in December, simply because you're a Platinum Card member. That can be used up to $200 in annual Uber savings. So basically, you're going to get $200 that you could use towards Uber or Uber rides, but you're going to get it basically $15 a month for every single month, except for December, you'll get $20. So that's pretty straightforward. Another thing that the American Express Platinum Card is known for is the fact that you're going to get 5 times membership points when you book your airline tickets directly with the airline, or if you use American Express Travel. Also, you get 5 times membership reward points when you do hotels, when you book hotels on AmexTravel.com. So it's very important to make sure that you have all the information that you need. Don't go and book your hotel with Hotels.com or some other site. Be sure to use AmexTravel.com. Otherwise, you're not going to get your 5 times of membership reward points for booking the hotel. So that's very important. If you're going out of town or if you're staying in town, you definitely want to make sure you're booking your hotel with AmexTravel.com. The next thing here talks about a $200 airline fee credit. So it says, enjoy perks while you fly. Feel free to check your bags or enjoy an in-flight meal on us. Select one qualifying airline and then receive up to $200 in statement credits per calendar year when incidental fees are charged by the airline to your Platinum Card account. So that's pretty cool. What they're talking about here is a bunch of stuff, which includes your bags. If you're checking an extra bag, you can go ahead and pay for that. If you're getting food or beverage on the plane, this is a part of your $200 airline fee credit. So you can spend up to $200 and American Express will reimburse you for using your American Express Platinum Card. So that is pretty sweet. I've had a good experience in regards to American Express crediting back your account whenever you use your money for anything that they say that there's a credit for. So you can expect to get those credit back pretty quickly. The next thing I want to talk about here, it says fee credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck. So of course it says when you apply for and receive your global entry or TSA PreCheck, not only can you get expedited screening at selected airports, but you'll receive a credit for the application fees on your statement. Once again, like I said, American Express is really good about crediting your account or your credit card as soon as you use it. Sometimes I've seen the credit on my account basically the next day or like 2 or 3 days later, which is really, really cool. So the next thing I want to talk about here, it says Find Hotels and Resorts program. It says receive complimentary benefits with an average total value of $550 with Find Hotels and Resorts. So with American Express, with your American Express Platinum Card, you have the ability to reserve hotels at different hotels that American Express has to offer through their Find Hotel packages. As a matter of fact, you're able to actually get upgraded for certain things in regards to your hotel. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in just one second. The next thing I want to talk about real quickly here is the Global Lounge Collection. It says, when travel calls, we answer. The American Express Global Lounge Collection unlocks access to more than 1,200 airport lounges across 130 countries and counting. Our unmatched worldwide coverage is made possible through our networks, the Centurion Lounge and the International American Express lounges, as well as our partner networks, Delta Sky Club and Priority Pass Select lounges. So this is really cool. This is another really awesome perk that you get with your American Express Platinum Card is the fact that you have access to a lot of lounges, but a lot of people really want access to the Centurion lounges, and I'm going to touch on that in just one second. As a matter of fact, I'm going to jump on over to the other side real quick to this other tab and kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So here on this other tab here, as you can see, it talks about the same thing that I've already addressed. But one of the things that I think is really cool is it kind of lists the amount of Centurion lounges that they currently have right now. And of course, I think they're still trying to make more as we speak. So as you can see here, it says Centurion Lounge. There's a Centurion Lounge in Miami, Philadelphia, New York, Fort Worth, which is interesting, Dallas, Las Vegas, San Francisco, Seattle, Hong Kong. There's actually a lounge in Houston as well. I'm in Houston, so I'm excited about that. I'm definitely going to check that out and make videos showing you guys what you can expect when you get access to a Centurion Lounge. So the lounges is a huge part of the American Express Platinum Card experience. I mean, it's just one of the other perks that you get once you have the American Express Platinum Card. So real quickly here, I'm going to touch on the hotel collection here, as you can see. So I talked a little bit about this earlier. So it says the hotel collection. It says get a $75 hotel credit on qualifying charges, plus get 5 times membership points per eligible dollar spent when you make a prepaid booking with the hotel collection at AmericanExpress.com HC. Of course, there's terms that apply. So of course you want to do your research or just contact American Express and ask any questions that you may have to ask them directly. And so of course it talks about Platinum Travel Services. Enjoy extraordinary travel experiences with Platinum Travel Services. Our dedicated travel counselors are there to help dream up ways to make your trip more memorable. Another thing that you get with the American Express Platinum Card is that you actually get upgraded benefits when you get, like, let's say you reserve a room at a Hilton hotel. So it says Hilton Honors Gold Status enrollment. With Hilton Honors Gold Status, you can enjoy benefits at hotels and resorts within the Hilton portfolio and earn rewards faster with Hilton Honors bonus points, or I'm sorry, with Honors bonus points. So there's actually a lot of things, like I said, that you get when you get the American Express Platinum cards. There are countless benefits. I mean, right here on the left, as you can see, there's travel benefits, there's hotel benefits, there are foreign travel benefits, there's shopping benefits, there's automobile benefits. And now just to kind of click on it and kind of show you guys what you can expect. Okay, so this is what I talked about a little bit up top. Let's click on foreign travel benefits just so you can kind of see. It talks about the global entry and the fee credit in regards to your global entry or pre-TSA check. There's no foreign transaction fees for the American Express Platinum card, so you can use this card abroad if it's accepted. And I say if it's accepted because American Express is not accepted every single where in other countries. But if it is, you can expect to not pay any foreign transaction fees. So you can just use your card and not have to worry about dealing with that. There's a premium global assist hotline that you can contact them 24/7. So that's cool if you need help with something regarding that. Let's click on shopping benefits real quickly just so you can kind of get an idea. So it talks about purchase protection. Purchase protection can help protect eligible purchases made with the American Express Platinum card against accidental damage, theft, and sometimes provide loss coverage for certain card products up to 120 days from the date of purchase. So that's really cool. Of course, then there's return protection. So the return protection, it talks about if you try to return an eligible item within 90 days from the date of purchase and the merchant won't take it back, American Express may refund the full purchase price, excluding shipping and handling, up to $300 per item, up to a maximum of $1,000 per calendar year per card account if you purchased it entirely with your eligible American Express card. Purchases must be made within US or its territories. So of course, that's kind of common sense. Let me click on automobile benefits because I'm curious, right, what that's about. Okay, so it talks about Uber rides with Platinum and of course your Uber credit. It talks about car rental, loss and damage insurance, also premium roadside assistance. So once again, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. This video is not quick actually, but I just wanted to make a video to kind of show you a lot of what you can expect to get with your American Express Platinum card. Like I said, if you're interested, be sure to use the link below this video and go to the website. And like I said, it'll help our channel quite a bit. So just real quickly here, I want to recap quickly what you can expect, some of the perks and benefits you can expect to get with the American Express Platinum card. Okay, so some of the key features that you can expect to get with your American Express Platinum card is $200 Uber credit and $200 airline credit. 5 times on airfare and 5 times membership reward points on hotels booked through AmexTravel.com. Of course, there's priority pass access. You and 2 guests that you get to include if you have the American Express Platinum card. You also get access to Centurion lounges for you and 2 guests as well. You get access to Delta Sky Club when flying with Delta, of course. You get access to Hilton Honors Gold Elite status. You get access to SPG Gold Preferred Elite status. And therefore, you get Marriott Gold and Ritz-Carlton Gold. And rental car access as well. Of course, you get a $100 credit in regards to TSA pre-check and global entry. So if you have to pay for that, they're going to reimburse you $100 for that. So that is pretty cool. Those are some of the features that you get with your American Express Platinum card. So once again, if you have any questions, leave them below this video and I'll try my best to answer it as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching this portion. I'll see you guys in just 1 second. Thank you so much for watching this video about the American Express Platinum card. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share the video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you have any questions about the American Express Platinum card, please feel free to leave them below this video in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer it as soon as I see it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.